All right, everybody, check it out. 2017 Dodge Ram Sport. Love those aftermarket all-terrains. Great looking tire. This one has running boards, tonneau, dual exhaust, backup camera. Definitely handy in the wintertime if you're a street parker or if you can't get access to a garage. Remote start. A little bit of an aftermarket muffler in this one as well. Makes that HEMI scream. Proximity key. Power windows, mirrors, locks. All important if you're street parking as well, is that power folding mirror. Fantastic. Bluetooth, cruise. Automatic headlamps. Also important in the wintertime, heated wheel, heated seats, automatic climate control, four-wheel drive, push button of course with that 8-speed automatic by ZF. Beautiful truck, sunroof, interior shows super well. For information on this or any other half-ton in our massive inventory, give me a call, 403-902-0434. And don't forget that aftermarket light bar, very well integrated into that front bumper. Right here at Strathmore Dodge.